Career gap? Your career is not over. A break in your career doesn't define your potential. Your comeback can start today. Returning after a maternity break, personal break, IT or lecturer background, or even a long career gap, you are not alone. Don't worry about the gap. Focus on your comeback. MasterVLSI guides you step by step, from a strong foundation and hands-on training to interview preparation and placement support. Build industry-ready skills through practical VLSI, training covering Verilog, SystemVerilog, UVM, OOPS, protocols, real-time projects, industry tools, and interview preparation. Develop your career with expert faculty, real-time projects, mock interviews, feedback, resume guidance, and placement assistance. Learn, practice, prepare, get placement support, build your skills, rebuild your confidence, and become interview-ready. Your career gap doesn't have to stop your VLSI dream. With expert mentorship and personalized support, it's time to build your comeback. Turn your career gap into a career comeback. Develop industry-ready skills and prepare yourself for opportunities in the semiconductor industry. Your dream VLSI career starts with one decision. Join MasterVLSI and take the first step toward your new beginning. We handle the gap. You achieve the success. Join MasterVLSI today. Call 901-923-2425 or email mastervlsitraining@gmail.com.